Hey, this is Robert, Rat Nation. We're in Emory, Texas today. I'm gonna show you some cool cars. If you like rats, rods, rust, or cool cars, you come to the right place. We're glad you're here. I want to show you a really cool rat rod, a builder. Let's interview him. Come on in there with me.
How you doing, buddy?
All right, buddy, good to see you.
No problem.
Tell me a little bit about your car.
This is my 1936 Ford pickup. I built it from the ground up. Took about 5 months. Hand built the frame. This is my first rat rod. I've built several other cars before. By far, this has been the funnest because it challenges all your creativity.
And you're kind of a builder. This is your first one, but I mean, you're probably gonna build more.
Oh, yes, sir.
Mad
yes,
Dog
sir.
Garage.
Yes, sir. No problem. We're right there in Canton, Texas. And we're a small shop, but we can do metal work, anything we need.
You know, in our segments, what we try to do is it's called people behind the cars. What we like to do is see cool rats and rods and rust, and we go and talk to the people like you, and encourage and give people other inspiration to go out and do this. You don't have to pay $50,000 for one of these. You go out and create it, have a personality with it, and just have a great time.
Yes, sir. They're real fun to build. It challenges, like I said, all your creativity. You can put the kitchen sink on it if you wanted to.
I want to get on the other side of this camera and let's do a walk and talk and show.
No problem. Yes, sir.
All right, man. We're here with a cool little old rat rod. Tell me, well, you stand out here in front of you so the people can see you.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I know I call it a rat rod, but you got rats all around it, but this is just a regular cool driver, right?
Yes, sir. It's a cool little driver, 36. It's got a 454 Chevy motor in it. I handmade the emblem.
So where'd you come by the truck?
I came by it from my ex-boss at a little car lot he had. He had it out there for yard art. He was going to scrap it, and I happened to buy it off him before he scrapped it, and then I turned it into what it is you see here today.
From yard art to the driveway.
Yes, sir. And it's fun taking it to shows and enjoying it.
See, folks, we're showing you cars that you can build.
Yes,
something that you can go and look at and see and turn it around and do it on your own time, right?
Yes, sir. Anybody can build one of these as long as they, take the time and, just tinker with it and you put in.
But Ches, do you take it around? Do you go to shows quite a bit?
Yes, sir. This is my 4th show with it, and I've been taking it to every one I can. It's fun to show off and to tell people.
I find in most of these, where we are in Rats, we don't care if we win a trophy. We just like the camaraderie and just enjoy the people.
Exactly. I really
take a look on the inside right quick.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Yeah, I hand did that dash. That's all 57 wagon chrome trim that I put on there to just trim it out.
You did a great job.
You can get real creative with these and put anything you want,
It's certainly a looker. While I came up, boy, you had a lot of people looking. I know you've been busy talking to people about your truck.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to back up a little bit so we can see the side here.
Okay, no problem.
So tell me a little bit about your bed and the running gear.
The running gears are custom-made frame by Mad Dogz. It's got a 49-inch rear end. I handmade all that bed out of diamond plate that I got for free at my old job. They were throwing that away, believe it or not. Like I said, it don't have to cost you a lot to build these.
Exactly.
You can build it out of miscellaneous
That's
parts.
why we call them rats.
Exactly.
Let's walk on around
Yes,
the back.
sir. It's like a gumbo.
Yes, sir. I love interviewing Texas folks. They'll just tell you whatever you want to know and talk to you about anything.
It's got its original 36 tailgate with original chains. And the actual taillights are hiding in that little grill. That was just left there for looks. I handmade that bumper.
I like to keep them rusty and original,
Yes,
don't
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
I like a little clear on them, but I really like them just like they come out of the yard.
Yes, sir. It's all hand painted at my garage. People think it's a sticker all the time, and it's all hand painted.
You do that?
Yes, yes,
You
sir.
got talent.
Yes, sir.
We find the personality in these cars. Usually you can go to people's houses and they kind of look like their cars.
Yes, sir. They sure do.
Let's walk on around
All
to the
right.
front. What motor you got in there?
454.
Cool truck. I'm just thinking,
Yes, sir.
man, I really like your
I'd
truck.
like to take the time to give thanks to my buddy Morris Garage. He helped me a lot, gave me a lot of ideas. Bubba Morris, he's a real cool guy to know. He's out here from Emory, Texas, and I'm from Canton.
one thing, let's get back together here.
No problem.
One thing that I see on these cars is we help people.
Yes, sir.
If somebody come up to you and want you to help you, say, hey, I need a little insight, come up and talk to you. You'd sit down and talk to them all day long about how to build one.
Yes, sir. I'd give them.
And probably help them out with
I'd
some
probably
parts.
help them out with parts and then even give them a hand with it. Yes, sir.
That's what we like about our family of old rats. Rats,
Yeah.
rods, and rust is what I call them.
Exactly. They're a real commodity based crowd, and I love that about it.
I do too. Man, I thank you today for
No
coming.
problem. Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you coming.
Thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, if you like rats, you bet. If you like rats, rods, and rust, you're gonna love this channel. Subscribe to us. If you like more, send me a message where you're at. Maybe we'll come and see you one day. I'm gonna show you some cars. This is a fun car. It's gonna teach you not only about cars, but these people are willing to help you do that. So like us, subscribe to us. We got a Facebook channel. Like us on that or subscribe to us. Rat Nation. We'll see you down the road.